Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package, and I'm super excited about this one. Wait until I tell you about this. Before I get into that, I have some people to thank for coffee. You guys, thank you so much. Jeanette, she bought me 5 coffees, and she said, I think you may need more than 5, but it's a start. Jeanette, you are sweet. You're the first person who bought me a coffee, and now you bought me 5 more coffees. Jeanette, she wants to move to Michigan and live next to me and be best friends. Come on, Jeanette, let me know when you're moving. Anyhow, thanks, Jeanette, so much. Joy bought me a coffee, and she said, thanks for the video. It sounds lovely there. Thank you so much, Joy. Joy and I and a couple other people are going to be doing an event. Stay tuned. Listen for that, okay? And then Lizette's Crafts and Tells. She brought me 3 coffees. Thank you, Lizette. She said, sorry, I can't join your event, but I will be there supporting you. Good luck on the fundraiser. It is a great cause. Thank you, Lizette. I'm looking forward to hearing more about Lizette's bed and breakfast in France. Thank you, ladies, so much for that. I so appreciate it. All right, let me tell you about this. It's one of those things I just stumbled across on the internet and had to order from them. And then I messaged and I learned a lot more about this company. All of the images look to be very similar, like they were produced by the same person, and I wanted to know more. All right, let's get into this. Let me show you. This is from a Canadian company. Look at how nicely it's packaged. This is all foam right here. This is just foam, keeping it all nice and tidy in there. All right, so here is our diamond painting. Hello. Oh, look at it's packaged like with a hanger and everything. Look at that. And I've got another item here as well. Okay, box is empty. Okay, so excited for this, you guys. So excited. All right, first of all, this is from a company called JaCaRou Puzzles in Quebec. All right, so I messaged, and JaCaRou Puzzles, yes, she started designing her own pictures. And she started selling puzzles. And I think that was like 2015. 2018, she wanted to expand, and she'd heard about diamond painting, and she tried out several manufacturers until she got something that she liked and started making diamond paintings. They are pictures that she has created herself. Yes, okay. She also told me that late last year in 2020, she started licensing a few other Canadian artists and has a few pictures from some other artists. I'm so excited. These are so pretty. Just wait. Before I get into it, let me tell you. First of all, this is a painting, and this is wax. I got some wax as well, all right? And this was all in Canadian dollars. Okay, so the painting was $21.99. The wax was $12. Shipping was $19.99. So that's $53.98 Canadian dollars. Transfer that to US, and this was $43.76. So a painting, wax, shipping, $43.76. Wait till you see it. Just wait till you see it. Let's check out the wax first. I love how everything is packaged. It's all packaged for like selling in a store or something where you could hang it and stuff. I don't know if they have a store, but whatever, right? Okay, this is all in French, so yeah, I can't read it. I can see it says, oh wait, scented waxes for diamond paintings. There we go. There we go. There's some English on there. Okay, made in Quebec. There you go. All right, so I have tangerine and citron. Tangerine and citron. I love tangerine. I'm just going to open this up. I am. And I want to see what it is, what kind of wax it is. I got 2 pots for $12, so they were $6 each, right? Canadian. That's a little bit less in US. All right, so they come in these cute little pots. And let's see what kind of wax they are. They are, oh, they're like nothing I've ever felt before. Look, it's a great big block. It's, okay, it's a hard wax. So it's something that you're going to have to, okay, you see how, no, you can't. My camera won't focus for you. Come on. You can see how I can like poke my fingernail into it. So it's, oh man, it smells super good. Like lemon pledge. Yeah. Okay, so that's probably going to be like a scrape into kind of, let's see. Let me see. I have a fancy drill pen right here. Let's see. You can't just stab it, right? Maybe you can stab it. Let's see. Oh, you can stab it. Okay. There's wax in there. I'm going to have to try this out. All right. I'm not certain if anybody from Canada has bought this yet. I think maybe somebody has. Maybe Bev. I don't know, Bev. Let me know. So you can kind of stab it. There you go. We'll have to try it out, see how it works. So we got the citrus, lemony pledge, and this one is tangerine. Yeah, yummy. Makes me want a tangerine. Really good, yeah. Okay, so we got some wax. Had to try it. I mean, I'm buying a diamond painting. Oh, and it even tells you on the bottom what they are. Tangerine and citron citrus. Yay. Okay, love it. Okay, cool. But now, dun, da, 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 you guys, you're not going to believe this. Okay, look at the box. It's a nice box. Look. And it's in 2 languages. Look at that. High quality, color printed Eco Canvas. The Eco Canvas. Diamonds sorted by colors, pen, tray, storage box, and some jelly glue. Got some jelly glue. So we have English and up here, I believe is French. But, you know, follow the pictures. Okay, I don't want you to see this shit. I just don't. It says diamonds, round diamonds, full drill canvas. It's a 30 by 30, easy and fun. All right. Okay. The box tab rattling around in there. Okay. Comes in a plastic bag as well. Yes. So, let me just say before I even open this, if you like color, ooh, it's one of those like silky, not silky, but you know what I mean. It's a nice canvas. Serged edges, poured glue. If you like color, you got to go check out their stuff because it is all bright and colorful and cheerful. And there were several that I liked. Yes, I should have gotten more, but you know what? I didn't really want to get a whole bunch of stuff, you know, trying out a new company. I thought I'd get one. This will not be my last visit. Okay. Oh, look at this. Wow. You get one of these guys. I just got one of these from somebody else recently. I have 2 of these now. Actually, look, it's still over here on my counter. Oh, look at that. They're exactly the same. Dun, da, da, da. I'm making a set. Okay. In a little toolkit. Like it has a 3-placer tray, wax, and some baggies. Here are our drills. Look, they are all individually bagged in larger packages. Look at the color. I told you color, you guys. I told you color, right? Okay, are you ready? Oh, man. Okay. I love it. Okay, I love it. It's got a wrinkle here. Not in the glue or anything, but in the canvas because of the plastic. We'll flatten it out. Are you ready? Look at it. Oh my gosh. It's so cool. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's little. It's a 38 by 30. I get it. Okay. I don't think you had a choice of sizes or anything. It's got 29 colors. Here's our symbol list over here. Look, numbers, some symbols, some letters. Okay, here's our drill field. Come on, camera. Focus, focus. Here's our drill field. Now, they don't look super, super clear, but I'll tell you why they don't look super, super clear. It's because this canvas has this real waffle effect on it. It almost seems like it was like Dreamer Design's first canvas, you know, where you could see the texture of the canvas and you can see the texture. Now, can I read the symbols? Yes. 6s, triangles, dashes, 2s, 5s, 3s. They appear to be a little blurry, but it's because of this texture coming through. But you can read them. All right. It says JaCaRou, however you would say that at the top. We have a thumbnail at the bottom, tells us our size. There's a picture. Look at, we got the little environmental sign here. Some information. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Oh, okay. It's got this border around it too. See the border that's not drilled? That's just color around the edge. All right, all the way around. It's all outlined in black, so all the colors are gonna pop because of the black. I mean, it's pretty. I mean, it's pretty. What else can I say about it? We got to look at these drills, because those drills are like bright. Everything she designs is these bright, bright colors. So if you like colors, there was a butterfly. Oh, I love the butterfly. There's just so many things, you guys. There was a bunch, and they were all super bright like that. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's look at the drills. Come on. Where's the end of the bag? It even says on the bag, Dragonfly, size is 38 by 38. Okay, so that has to be the entire canvas. So 38 by 38 has to be full canvas, but they tell us that the drill area is 30 by 30. Okay, it's almost 30. It's 37 technically. Now let's check out the drill field. A couple millimeters short of 30. So it's, you know, it's true to what they say. It's true to their sizing. All right. So they come in the packages like this, which is nice. You get one package for each color. They're weighted. Love it. That's upside down. Look at these colors. Got DMC codes on the bags. That's all that's on the bags. Look at the colors though. Look at that blue. Purpley blue, pink, teal, blue, pink. What do we have here? More bright colors, right? Green, more pink. Look at that, 995, beautiful blue. Green, orange, purple. Hear the wind chimes? A little windy outside. Red, orange, 2 bags of 310 for all that outlining we're gonna do. What else do we have? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I did not know that. These have ABs. They have ABs. Look. I love it even more. Okay, look. We have green AB. Aurora Borealis. It's got a coating on it. Okay, and yellow. All right. Steal my heart. Go ahead. We got ABs too. 2 colors. Wow. Okay. We're going to look at that canvas again, that symbol list. Pinks, purples, more purple, green, orange, and more purple. Does it say anything on here about AB? Let's see. No. It doesn't indicate that there are AB. Okay, what colors were they again? S3 and S54. Oh, yes. No. S3. S54. Okay, they're down here at the bottom. Okay, that's what it is, right here. S3 and S54. Those 2 ABs. Okay, so she has thought of everything. This is her name. Artwork is by Annie. Okay, that's her. Isn't that okay? I have nothing but good things to say. Price wise, I don't know, for 30 by 30. Okay, you figure out what is $21.99 in US. You figure that out for yourself. What do you get? Okay. So it's less than 20 bucks, right? So that's not horrible, right? Yeah. I mean, what would that be? $15, $16? I love it. You get ABs. It's a beautiful canvas. Her artwork is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous artwork. Seriously, you guys. And I did notice there was another artist on there as well, which she has licensed. So licensed art. Beautiful art. ABs. What more can I say? Right? What more can I say? Except I want to do this one. I think I should do it. It's small. I think I should make it like my little side project. I might start putting drills on it right now. Jeez. Okay. All right. Check them out, you guys. I will have their site linked below. She's super nice. She just told me everything I needed to know about her company, and I appreciated that. So there you have it. And don't forget, they have this cool little wax that really smells yummy. Like you could eat it, okay? All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for the coffees. Thanks for watching videos. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for, following along on my crazy adventures and all of the things that I find. I don't know. I just managed to find things. And sometimes they turn out, and lately they've been turning out pretty good. I gotta say, they've been turning out pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go now and enjoy this sunshine that's coming out. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy the flowers. Enjoy the color. Enjoy life, right? Talk to you guys soon. Bye.